Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet a little granny square angel. So let's get started. To make these angels, and I'm working with cotton worsted yarn and a 5.5mm hook. Start with a slip knot, chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slip stitch to join and form a ring. Chain 2, 1, 2, and that will take the place of the first double crochet. Make 2 more double crochet in the ring, 1 and 2. Now I'm going to make a corner, chain 2, 1, 2. Make 3 double crochet in the ring, 1, 2, and 3. Make a corner, 1, 2. Make 3 double crochet in the ring, 1, 2, and 3. Make a corner, chain 2, 1, 2. Make 3 double crochet in the ring, 1, 2, and 3. Make a corner, chain 2, 1, 2. Now find the top of that chain 2, and it's easy to find the top of your chain 2 if you just pull up and then you see the post. So slip stitch to join, and that's the first row, and you have 4 corners. So now I'm going to chain 2 and I'm going to turn, and in this corner, in this chain 2 space, I'm going to make 2 clusters of 3 double crochet. So that's equivalent to the first double crochet. So make 2 more, 1 and 2, chain 2, 1, 2, make 3 more double crochet, 1, 2, and 3. So there's your corner. Now go to the next chain 2 space and repeat this. So you make 3 double crochet, 1, 2, 3, chain 2, 1, 2, and make 3 more double crochet in that same space. So 1, 2, and 3. Now that's your corner, and that's your other corner. Go to the next chain 2 space and repeat this. So 3 double crochet, 1, 2, and 3, chain 2, and then 3 more double crochet, 1 and 2 and 3. Go to the next chain 2 space and repeat 3 double crochet, 1, 2, and 3, chain 2, and 3 more double crochet, 1, 2, and 3. Now you're just going to go right over that chain 2 and slip stitch to join in the top of the chain 2, and that's your first granny square. And now I'm just going to make loops all the way around, and to do that I'm going to chain 3, 1, 2, 3, single crochet in the next stitch, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, single crochet in the next stitch, 1, 2, 3. Now it's the next stitch is my corner, so just single crochet in the corner, 1, 2, 3, single crochet in the next stitch, 1, 2, 3, single crochet in the next stitch. And you're just going to repeat that all the way around. Okay, I worked all the way around. There's my last chain 3, and I'm going to slip stitch to join in the base of the first chain 3. So slip stitch to join, and now I'm going to fasten off, and I'm going to leave a long yarn end. And there's the finished granny square. You have your granny square, and I'll just place your finger in the center and fold it down over your finger like that. And I'm just going to use my yarn end. I'm going to wind it around here for the waist, and then you can just place a bit of hot glue or even some Elmer's white glue just to hold that in place. And I'm going to use a little wooden ball for the head. I have 3 squares of bathroom tissue here. Place it in my hand. I'm going to just pour a little bit of water in, like that, and then pour some white glue in the center, like that. Now fold these in, add a bit more water, enough to saturate it, and then just roll it into a ball. Like that, and then you can let that dry and then paint it, and you'll have a little round face. For the head, I took a pipe cleaner, shaped it into a circle like that to form the halo, and then there was a hole in my ball, so I just tucked it down inside the head. But if I hadn't had a hole, I could have just formed the circle and then glued it on top of the head. And then you can pass the head in through the center, and then with the hot glue or white glue, attach a little bow at the neck. And then I have some angel wings. To make the wings, I drew a shape of wings on some cereal box cardboard, and I traced around it. And this is a sheet of cardboard from a shirt, but you could just use cereal box. And you could just do it like that and follow the same procedure. Then I took some gold acrylic paint, and I painted the wings. While the paint was still wet, I took some gold glitter and tapped that into the wet paint. Like that, and then I'll let that dry, and I'll shake off the extra glitter and cut them out, and then I can do the other side. Just paint them in gold and sprinkle them with glitter. And you can either use white glue or hot glue gun and put some on the wings and attach those behind the head like that. And then with an ornament hanger, I opened it up, passed on some beads, and now I can attach that to the halo like that. And there you go. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.